To me, inclusive agriculture means that people are connected to the food that they eat. So when people know where the food comes from, they feel connected to their food. And the inclusive thing is also that local food production contributes to the quality of the landscape, to the quality of the environment, to people's health, to education. So agriculture is more than just food production. It's also a contribution to the awareness of people, how they can feed themselves in a healthy and sustainable way.
C'est plutôt un nouveau modèle de circuit court où au lieu d'aller chercher du riz ou du pain qui vient de l'autre bout de la planète et qui a pris le bateau, voire l'avion, c'est de trouver des agriculteurs locaux qui peuvent faire le travail au fil des saisons et qui puissent être en contact plus direct avec les restaurants qui sont les lieux où ces produits sont consommés. Donc on a vraiment l'ambition d'accompagner cette révolution agricole dans nos établissements.
Citizens have to participate in the process of growing crops, let's say, in a way, or get involved into the process. So for me, that's inclusive agriculture, to integrate citizens and as well as existing communities.
There are more and more enormous cities, and if we do not try to find innovative ways for urban agriculture, there will not be enough food in the cities of the future. So it's an urgent topic to address. How can we produce food close to the citizens, and how can we avoid that food is brought from one place of the earth to another place, which causes lots of pollution. So for me, urban agriculture is the key in future food policies.
Urban agriculture will play a major role, but I guess it is about combining different existing agriculture techniques, let's say, urban into the city as well, but also refarming the farm as well. So I think in the future there will be a combination of different types of agriculture, not just the urban agriculture, but different ones, including maybe using the water as the floating farms I'm proposing.